In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can send Red Snap on Snapchat. So let's get started. So first is that you want to open Snapchat, log into your account, and basically just take a photo or a video. So first is that I'm just going to take a video in here, just a short one, for example, this one, there. And now from here, you want to make sure that you mute your video or don't add any music or audio into your video or photo because Red Snap basically means that there is no audio or music. So from here, we're just gonna go for the speaker icon. As you can see here on the right side, we have that. We want to tap on it. And then once you have the speaker icon with the X icon, it means that it is muted. So we would want that. And once you have made sure of that, you want to tap here on send now. So now you can send your red snap into someone you'd want it to send to. Like for example, here, I'll just send it to myself. And I'm gonna tap here on send on the bottom right. And now from here, as you can see here at the top, it says new snap and it's in red. So that is the red snap because that didn't have any audio in it. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.